Hi! In this video, we will quickly tell you about Appointlet Integrations. Calendar Integrations. Google Calendar. Auto-generate events in your calendar and ensure you're never double-booked. Office 365 Calendar. Auto-create events in your Office calendar and make sure you're never double-booked. Video conferencing. Google Meet. Microsoft Teams. Zoom meetings. Join Me. GoToMeeting. Cisco Webex. CRM and Sales. Salesforce CRM. Send booking data into Salesforce CRM to manage contacts and leads in your campaigns. Stripe payments. Collect payment from your customers when they book a meeting. PayPal. Collect a set price for each meeting. Hubspot CRM. Send your booking data into Hubspot CRM and create new customer records or update existing ones. Square payments. Secure payment for your services in advance. Browser extensions and marketing. Chrome extension. Grab a link to your scheduling page at any time. Firefox extension. Instant access to your Appointlet scheduling page links. MailChimp. Place your meeting attendees into an email marketing campaign to stay engaged. Delighted. Collect feedback on your meeting with Delighted. Thank you. I hope that information helps. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more information about Appointlet and discover my business solutions for your business. Bye.